Okay, who controls what your future medical care entails? You've been treating for your case. The primary treating physician is saying, well, down the road, you might need some physical therapy. You might need maybe surgery, but probably no opiate medications. Lord knows. You go to a QME and the QME says, no, you're going to need surgery in the future, but your condition right now is permanent and stationary. But someday you might need a laminectomy, a discectomy, something along those lines. Only one surgery though, you wouldn't need any more. And then you would need physical therapy, and I would also recommend some chiropractic care. So you go to settle your case, you're settling it with stipulations. Open medical care. So the insurance company is going to remain liable for all medical treatment that's reasonable or necessary to cure or relieve the effects of the industrial injury. So whose reporting do they rely upon? I'll tell you, in reality, it's almost neither of those doctors. So the adjuster is going to put notes in their system. QME recommends future laminectomy, physical therapy, some chiropractic. Those are suggestions. Those will go to the primary treating physician. The primary treating physician can agree with those recommendations and request authorization for them. Or the treating physician might say, oof, Lord have mercy, with your back injury, I definitely agree you need surgery, but you should never undergo chiropractic. It could injure you more. I would never send you to chiropractor. So then, who's really controlling it? Sadly these days, most frustratingly for injured workers, the real control comes down to utilization review. So your treating physician is going to make recommendations that he or she believes are best for your condition. That doctor will fill out a request for authorization. That goes to the insurance company. The insurance company will send it to utilization review, and that UR doctor is going to make a determination to certify the treatment or non-certify the treatment. Generally, that doctor will review prior treating physician reports and recommendations, will review the QME report where the QME recommended surgery, but the decision is going to come down to that UR doctor. So the UR doctor denies your certification or the authorization for the treatment, then you're looking at filing for IMR. We covered that in another video. But the real bottom line is the person who determines those future medical needs, it's going to be the primary treating physician making a request for authorization, and it's going to be utilization review and the adjuster either certifying that treatment or non-certifying the treatment. So some injured workers sometimes ask, can I put language in the STIPs that outline what type of medical care I need? Injured worker will definitely need one laminectomy. Generally, no. Most judges won't do that because that's really a limit. What happens if 5 years down the road you go to a surgeon and the surgeon says, ooh, laminectomy, those are old news. Now what we're doing is some new surgery, it's much better. Well, then the insurance company could say, we stipulated only a laminectomy, so we're not doing the new computer-controlled thing. Lord knows. You don't want limitations in there because it's generally going to work against the injured worker. So you could outline the QME recommended future medical care to consist of possible surgery and chiropractic, but it's really not needed. The bottom line is insurance companies are liable for ongoing medical care for whatever the stipulated accepted body parts are for all treatment that's reasonable and necessary to cure or relieve the effects of the injury. Whatever that may be, whatever the treating physician may recommend or may request authorization for, whatever utilization review authorizes, that's all going to be down the road. Your condition will change as the years go by. Medical technology changes as the years go by as well. So exactly who controls it? Not really the PTP before you settle, and not really the QME either, other than just providing recommendations. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button down below and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos.